Alright, so I've got this right here. This goes on the interior of the center of the windshield. And then this piece, I don't know what it's made out of. It's really thick and it's extremely light. It's lighter than this, and look how thin that is. This feels like nothing in my hand, so I'm not really sure what it's even made out of. But that's no good. We're gonna get rid of that. We need another one of these. But if you want to buy a new one, they want like $30 something plus, plus shipping. But I'm not going to do that because I have this stuff. I'm just going to try to make my own. Pretty close. We'll clean that up, make it look a little nicer. Yeah. Aren't you hot wearing those long pants and shirt? No. Alright. Yep, let me paint this real quick and then I'll play with you.
What do you
Looking
want
at
to
you.
see me?
Okay, we're looking at you. Yeah, we're looking at you.
Oh, jeez. Amelia, point it down here. 3 more to go.
And there it is, finished product. Pretty close to the original. It's not exact. You can see my weld there on the back, so this is the part that I made. And yeah, I think it'll do the job, and it didn't cost me anything. Just some scrap metal and a little bit of time.
Tumbleweed Garage.